Welcome back. If you saw last week's video to Bradley said, you may have seen I was in a different car. And I also said that I would tell you why I was in a different car, so that's exactly what we're going to do today. And the reason for that is I'm leaving Sydney.
What?
I'm going back overseas to be with the family for a couple months because with the whole COVID crap that has gone on globally for the past 2 years, but also the huge lockdown that we've had here in Australia and a few big personal changes that have happened in the past year as well, it's made me realize just how important it is to be with family, and so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I am going to be taking a bit of a detour on the way to see them, so if you want to see what that detour is, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on it, because I'm very excited about where I'm going, and I'm going to be trying to do my best to take some amazing photos whilst I'm there and also do a few videos whilst I'm there as well. In saying that, I'm not sure if I can get another video out between when this video goes up and when I get on the plane out of Australia. So that's just one thing I wanted to say quickly is if I can't make a video before I head off, I do apologize in advance. I will try my best, but because of everything I've got to juggle, because I'm trying to get all the furniture donated to charity, get out of this apartment, handle everything, and still have to work full time before I get on the plane. So if I can do a video, I will. If not, I'll see you on that detour location, which you'll see in a few weeks. And there are a few downsides to going overseas to be with the family, and the big one is that not just getting rid of all my furniture and settling in over there, I've had to rehome my cat. If you saw my staying motivated in lockdown video, you would have seen he's got a thick head of hair. Where I'm going, it's just simply too damn hot for him with all that hair on, and the stress of going from here to overseas and back, it's just not viable. I was fortunate that an old friend that I've known for quite a few years has got family members who are willing to take him on and look after him, and I know he's going to be well looked after. So as much as I would like for him to come with me, I've got to do what's best for him, so he's in a new home already. It's better for him that way, but as selfish as I want to be, I've got to do what's best for that little guy and not for me. The good thing is I'll still see him before I fly off, and I know that he's going to be well looked after. So yeah, I'm out of Sydney. I'll be headed overseas. I'll bring you guys with me on the detour. If I can do a video before I head out, I'll let you know. If not, I'll see you in that detour location, which I am properly looking forward to. It will be nice to have a proper break from life in general, especially after the past 2 years with COVID and everything else that has happened. I don't want to go into too much detail about all the personal stuff that's happened because it's just airing dirty laundry, and I'm happy to share some of my personal life with you guys, but I don't want to share all of it because I do want to keep my YouTube life and my personal life separate where I can. Some parts will blend, some parts will not. I mean, like seeing like part of the apartment and the car I'm in and whatnot, or telling you I'm going overseas to be with family, I'm fine with sharing. But there are some parts I would like to keep private, and I do hope you guys can understand that. I'll stop repeating myself and going off in 50 million tangents because I know I have done that quite a bit already. So I want to say one more big thank you to each and every one of you who has watched any of my videos this year. It has been lots of fun to make it, and I hope you'll keep watching them. I do apologize for getting a bit emotional earlier, but as any of you who has ever had to give up a pet or lose a pet will know exactly how it feels, or at least an idea of how it feels. And I know I have been keeping that detour location quite secretive, and that's because I've been waiting to go there all year during this whole COVID and personal change stuff. And now that I finally can, I'm over the moon about it, and I want to show you guys where it is as well. If you want to have any guesses, leave a comment down below, but I will not confirm where it is in the comments. If you want to see where it is, you'll just have to wait until I'm there. So if you want to know where it is, hit that subscribe button, tick that bell, and you'll see me in that detour location. I'll leave it there for now. Thank you again for watching these videos for the past year. If I can see you one more time in Sydney, I will. If not, goodbye for now from Sydney, and I'll see you in another country. Have a good night.